Ipatawag ka ni sir sa iyang opisina, karon na daw.
Sir, ipatawag ko, sir?
Yes, sir. So, I want to start by saying how much I appreciate your dedication and the quality of your work that we in our company. You're an important part of our success, and I want to make sure you're supported both professionally and personally. I see your struggles as a single mother, and because of that, I plan to make a schedule that will fit to your free time.
Really, sir? I was really about worried because as a single mother, it is really hard to have a flexible time. I'm concerned na baka matanggal ako sa trabaho because of my tight schedule.
Not that also, your role is secure, and I want you to feel confident about that. If there's ever anything you need to help balance your commitment, let me know. Our goal is to support you so you can thrive at work and at home.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Why are you here, Jan? What is your concern, Jan?
I doubt what happened with the two employees
Yes. Why?
last month. Baka dumating sa punto, sir, na mawalan ako ng trabaho. Since I'm a working student, I should be flexible on my time.
I understand you, Jan. You know, you are one of the best employees here in our company, and I really appreciate what you're doing, and I really appreciate your strength and your capabilities in our company. So, I just want you to know that I don't have any plan na matanggal ka sa company na ito dahil isa ka sa pinakamagaling na employee ko, at alam mo ba na kaparehan tayo ng experience. Noon, ako din ay isang working student at nagtatrabaho din ako. But look at me now, I'm a manager, di ba? So, hindi kawalan, hindi hadlang yung pagiging working student mo at sa trabaho mo dahil isa kang magaling na employee yan.
Maraming salamat, sir, sa inyong pagtitiwala sa akin. Gagawin ko ang aking makakaya, sir, sa ikabubuti ng kumpanya.
I hope you will be promoted as a manager soon, Jan, because I believe in your capabilities, Jan.
Thank you kayo, sir. Thank you kayo, sir. Daghang salamat.